guys, this is Tracy with Stampin' Away with Tracy, and I wanted to show you another clean, simple layout that I came up with. Isn't this cute? And this is using the Very Delightful Designer Series paper that's actually free from now until February the 28th of 2021. And it comes with the Designer Series paper, and it comes with this stamp set. So if you purchase $100, you get this plus the paper pack free, and it matches, so that's even better. And during celebration, if you do not have a demonstrator, and if you would like catalogs, please fill my link out below, and I'm happy to send you the catalog, and that will put you on my email list. And celebration is a great time. I want to make sure that people realize that if you purchase $150 worth of product, you'll get 3 free products plus $15 free. So this is the best time of year to buy. So let me tell you about this layout really quick. It's the Berry Blessings. And what I did was I cut up 3 pages of paper, 4 1/4, actually 4 inches by 5 1/4. And I cut up several because I'm going to make a lot of cards. So I just went ahead and cut it all up. Everything matches in the pack, so it's really easy. I did use for my base card the Granny Green Apple. Now, if you want to turn your card this way and do it this way, you could do it that way too. You can change the orient of your card with this layout. It's really simple. This is 4 1/4 by 11 inches and scored directly in the middle at 5 1/2 inches. And again, this is Granny Green Apple. We're going to set this aside. This first piece is the plaid, is what I chose, but you know, you can choose anything. I also made one with the red, the Poppy Parade, and then you can turn it over, and if you wanted to do some of the strawberries, you could do that too. So many things you can do with this. And you can use this with any pretty patterned paper. So you want to take the first one, then you want to get your Stampin' Seal. And I am putting the plaid piece down first. This piece, there's 3 of them. They're 1 inch wide and 4 inches long. So you want to get your Stampin' Seal on here. Now, the reason I'm using Stampin' Seal instead of the liquid glue, which is what I normally do, is it's a little more narrow and I don't want the glue to come out. So, and just put it anywhere. There's no right or wrong way. That's the beauty of this card. So take your Stampin' Seal, and I just ran 2 strips down on that, and I just wanted to off-center it a little bit. Get your other piece and run 2 strips of your Stampin' Seal down like that. And I'm just doing it a little bit different. There we go. Now, isn't that cute? Now, the next thing you want to do is, I want to put some twine on there. This is just white twine. I actually got this off of the clearance rack. The clearance rack is fantastic. And we just had a lot of stuff loaded up on there a couple weeks ago, and I picked up 2 or 3 of these because I knew white twine I would use forever. So when you place your order, always, always, always take a look at the clearance rack, because you never know what's going to be on there. And things like this white twine is perfect because it's timeless. It will last forever, and you'll be able to use it forever. So you definitely something that you want to use and have in your stash because it'll match everything. It's white. And I think it just gives this just the cutest little pop on here. It's not a fancy card, and you don't have to make fancy cards. I'm going to tie this one in a knot instead of a bow. You don't have to make fancy cards. Your cards don't have to take hours to prepare for them to be pretty and appreciated and loved by the recipients. So just straighten that out just like that. Really simple. Now, I used the So Sentiments die here. And it's with this set. Let me show it to you. With the So Sentiments. Now, the dies do not come on the magnet sheet. I do that myself. But this is the So Sentiment dies. And these stack. I love these. So, I use thank you because I need thank you cards. Now, I got this thank you from the Sweet Ice Cream. It's a polymer stamp set. Here it is. And it is in the new mini catalog. And like I said, if you want a mini catalog, just hit the link below. I'm happy to send you one. So I've got the thank you. I did it in the Granny Green Apple. So we're going to turn that over. We're going to get our Stampin' Dimensionals and put it on the top and the bottom. The reason we want to do it on the top and bottom is because the string's in the middle. Okay? So set that aside. Get out your take a pick tool like this and just pick off the tops really quickly. Just takes a second. This tool is great. $10, you can't beat it for everything it does. It's like my favorite tool. So, pull it off. Okay. So, I've got that done. And let's turn it over, and we're going to put it right here. We're going to put it in the middle of the card. That is the front of the card. Now, I think this one's a little bit long, so I'm going to cut it off. Make it a little shorter. Okay, so the only thing left to do is turn it over. Let's add some multi-purpose liquid glue so that I use this multi-purpose liquid so that I can have a little bit of wiggle room and get it perfectly centered. And with the strips, when I used the Stampin' Sealed, I didn't have to have it centered at all with the way this layout is, so I didn't have to worry about it. So you're going to put it here. I always pick my card up to center it good, like that. And there you go. Look how cute this card is. Isn't that cute? And it's a great thank you card. You could put happy birthday on here. Use this for any occasion. And I'm so glad you joined me. Please subscribe to my channel so you'll be, and turn on the notifications so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks, guys. I hope everyone has a great day.